Well, hello and welcome to Gmodism Total Nerdery channel. You know that you can share Wi-Fi from your phone to computers and other devices. If you need internet on them using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you can share it from your iPhone. And it's really simple. You go into the settings app and here you can see personal hotspot. That's basically what it's called. And you often need to have the allow other to join connected like that. Otherwise, only your iCloud connected devices can join, but maybe if you have a Windows computer, it won't be connected. So in that case, you need to have this active. And you can go down here and connect using Wi-Fi. Of course, this is the password here. If you have had your computer connected to this before, then you might need to change this password and remove the network from your PC. You just right click it and you just click forget, and then you search it up again and you put in this new password. Then it will start working again if you connected before but it stopped works, and this will make it continue to work. You can also connect up using Bluetooth or even connecting the phone via USB, but Wi-Fi is the most common way. Well, in any case, this is basically it. If you for some reason don't have the personal hotspot selection, you can go to mobile data and here you have personal hotspot again. It's the same thing. So it's really basic. And well, I hope this little tutorial will help you out to share your network with your other devices. In any case, if this video helped you, you should subscribe for weekly videos on tech stuff on every Tuesday, as well as support the channel if you're able to. In any case, see you next time. This is Gmodism Total Nerdery channel signing out.